isang masasabi ko rin, importante rin sa lahat is yung you have to be able to control your nerves. Alam ko, doon nang huli, medyo bumigay ka doon sa emotion, which of course, that's fine, makakalusot kami one time siguro. Pero moving forward, pag mga ibang performances, hindi ka pwedeng marattle. Dahil at the end of the day, you're there to perform and to deliver and to compete and to deliver the song properly, di ba? You're telling a story. So, kailangan panindigan mo yun. Pero congrats dahil napakaganda ng boses mo talaga.
Sige po. Nina Jaiya. Alright, maraming salamat sa ating mga hurados at sa pagkakataon.